Welcome to our journey towards building bigger, stronger arms. Before we dive into the ultimate blueprint, let's uncover the hidden benefits of strength training that go beyond just muscle growth. Strength training isn't just about aesthetics, it's a holistic approach to improving your overall health. Regularly lifting weights can enhance your metabolism, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. It can also increase bone density, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis, especially as we age. Moreover, strength training boosts mental health. The act of pushing your limits releases endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters, helping you combat stress and anxiety. It also improves your sleep quality, giving you more energy and focus throughout the day. Let's not forget about functional strength. By working on your muscles, you're also improving your body's ability to perform everyday tasks more efficiently. Whether it's lifting groceries, playing with your kids, or even gardening, strength training enhances your overall quality of life. Now that we've explored the incredible benefits of strength training, it's time to get into the specifics. Get ready to discover the ultimate blueprint to bigger arms in the next chapter. Welcome back! Before we dive into the specific exercises for building bigger arms, it's crucial to understand the science behind muscle growth. This knowledge will help you maximize your efforts and see better results. Muscle growth, also known as hypertrophy, occurs when muscle fibers sustain damage or injury from intense exercise. The body repairs these damaged fibers by fusing them, which increases the mass and size of the muscles. This process involves several key factors. First, let's talk about, this is essentially the force you apply to your muscles during resistance training. When you lift heavy weights, your muscles experience high levels of tension, which is a primary driver for muscle growth. Next we have, when you perform exercises, especially those involving eccentric movements like lowering a weight, it causes microscopic tears in the muscle fibers. This damage signals the body to repair and build stronger muscles. Finally, this refers to the buildup of metabolites like lactate during high repetition sets. The burn you feel in your muscles is a sign of metabolic stress, which also contributes to hypertrophy. Understanding these principles can help you design more effective workouts. For instance, incorporating both heavy low-rep sets to maximize mechanical tension and lighter high-rep sets to induce metabolic stress can lead to optimal muscle growth. Now, let's briefly touch on the role of testosterone, growth hormone, and insulin-like growth factors play significant roles in muscle growth. These hormones are naturally elevated after resistance training and proper nutrition. Lastly, also play a role in how quickly and efficiently you build muscle. While you can't change your genetic makeup, you can certainly optimize the other factors to achieve your best possible results. With this foundational knowledge, you're now better equipped to understand why certain exercises and techniques are recommended for building bigger arms. In the next chapter, we'll break down the ultimate blueprint to achieve those gains. Stay tuned! Now that we've delved into the science of muscle growth, let's talk about one of the most crucial elements in your muscle building journey: nutrition and supplementation. You see, what you put into your body significantly affects how well you build and maintain muscle. Without the right nutrients, all that hard work in the gym can go to waste. Let's break down the essentials. First up, protein. Protein is the building block of muscle. Aim to consume between 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. High-quality protein sources include chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, and whey protein. Ensuring you have enough protein in your diet is essential for muscle repair and growth. Next, carbohydrates. Carbs are your primary source of energy. They fuel your workouts and help replenish glycogen stores in your muscles. Include complex carbohydrates like oats, rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes in your diet. These carbs provide sustained energy and are less likely to spike your blood sugar levels. Healthy fats are also critical. They play a role in hormone production, including testosterone, which is vital for muscle growth. Sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are excellent choices. Aim to include these in moderation. Hydration is often overlooked but is equally important. Muscles are about 75% water, and staying hydrated helps maintain muscle function and recovery. Aim to drink at least 3 liters of water per day, more if you're training intensely. Now let's touch on supplementation. While whole foods should be your primary source of nutrients, supplements can help fill the gaps. Here are a few worth considering. Whey protein. Great for post-workout recovery. It's quickly absorbed, making it ideal for muscle repair. Creatine. One of the most researched supplements, creatine helps increase strength and muscle mass by drawing water into your muscle cells. branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. These can help reduce muscle soreness and improve muscle recovery, especially if you're training fasted. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish oil, these support joint health and reduce inflammation. Remember, supplements should complement, not replace, a balanced diet. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. By focusing on a well-rounded nutrition plan and smart supplementation, you'll provide your body with the fuel it needs to grow and repair muscle effectively. Combining this with your training and recovery strategies will set you on the path to achieving those muscle gains. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge of both the science and the nutrition of muscle growth, let's move on to the ultimate blueprint to bigger arms. Stay tuned. Welcome to. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after goals in fitness: building bigger arms. Whether you're looking to fill out your sleeves or improve your overall strength, I'm going to give you the ultimate step-by-step guide to arm growth. Get ready to learn not just what exercises to do, but the science, nutrition, and recovery strategies behind building impressive arms. Let's get started. Before we hit the gym, let's understand what we're working with. Your arms are made up of three main muscle groups. Biceps. Brachialis. These are the show muscles on the front of your arms. They're responsible for flexion and rotation of your forearm. Triceps brachii. Located on the back of your arms, the triceps make up about 2/3 of your arm's overall size. They're responsible for straightening your arm at the elbow. Brachialis. This lies underneath your biceps and helps push your arms outward, giving them a thicker appearance from the side. To build bigger arms, you need to target all three areas with specific exercises. Let's break it down. Many people jump straight into curls, but to build serious arm size, you need a strong foundation. Compound movements like pull-ups, rows, and presses indirectly work your biceps and triceps, while also targeting other muscle groups. These exercises allow you to lift heavier weights, stimulating overall arm growth and strength. Once you've nailed your compound lifts, it's time to isolate the biceps, triceps, and brachialis for maximum hypertrophy. Here's a workout blueprint you can follow. Barbell curls. Keep your elbows close to your sides and avoid swinging the bar to engage the biceps fully. Inclined dumbbell curls. This targets the long head of the biceps for a fuller look. Hammer curls. These hit the brachialis, adding thickness to your arms. Skull crushers. Control the movement to protect your elbows and maximize the stretch. Overhead dumbbell tricep extensions, perfect for hitting the long head of the triceps. Cable tricep pushdowns. Use a rope attachment to ensure a full contraction. Bigger arms require progressive overload, which means gradually increasing the demands on your muscles. You can achieve this by adding weight. Increase the resistance every 2 to 3 weeks. Increasing volume. Add extra sets or reps over time. Improving technique. Focus on slower negatives and controlled movements. Your muscles grow in the kitchen as much as they do in the gym. Here's the nutritional blueprint for arm growth. Caloric surplus. To build muscle, aim for a surplus of 250 to 500 calories per day. Use an online calculator to find your baseline. Protein intake. Consume 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Good sources include chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, and whey protein. Carbs for energy. Carbohydrates fuel your workouts. Prioritize complex carbs like oats, rice, and sweet potatoes. Healthy fats. Include fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil to support hormone production. Remember to stay hydrated and space your meals throughout the day for consistent energy and recovery. Growth happens when you rest, not when you're lifting. Here's how to optimize recovery. Sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Rest days. Schedule at least 1 to 2 full rest days per week. Stretching and mobility work. Incorporate stretching to improve flexibility and reduce soreness. And don't forget about active recovery like light cardio or yoga to keep blood flowing and aid repair. To stay motivated and ensure you're making gains, track your progress with these tips. Take weekly photos. Compare how your arms look over time. Measure circumference. Use a measuring tape around your arms every few weeks. Track strength gains. Record how much weight you lift for your key arm exercises. And there you have it, the ultimate blueprint to bigger arms. Focus on compound lifts, isolate your muscles with targeted exercises, fuel your body with the right nutrition, and prioritize recovery. With consistency and effort, those gains will come. Subscribe for more muscle building tips, comment your favorite arm exercise, and share your progress with us. This is Let's Grow Stronger Together. See you in the next video.